Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to create Twitter polls on your Twitter account so you can let people vote when you compose a tweet. This will work on your mobile app and on twitter.com. So let's go ahead and open up your Twitter app on your mobile phone. Now tap on the blue tweet button at the bottom right to compose a new tweet. Then tap on the graph icon next to the GIF icon. Once you tap on that, you'll see the tweet change to ask a question, and you'll have the chance to enter in two choices. Go ahead and tap on the ask a question and type in your own question. Then in choice 1 and choice 2, enter in your answers. If you want to add more choices, then you can tap on the plus icon and more choices will appear. Just be aware Twitter gives you a limit of number of characters you can enter in the field, so don't go over that limit. Now scroll down and decide how long you want that poll to run. The maximum you can run is 7 days and the default is 1 day. In this tweet we'll leave it as 1 day. Go ahead and press tweet at the top right. And once you're done, you'll see a poll at the top of your feed. Or if you go in your profile, you'll see it there as well. Here I'm viewing the poll as another account, and this is what your followers will see. They'll be able to tap on any of the choice and the poll will automatically count the vote. And that is how to create Twitter polls on your Twitter account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.